Have you ever opened your bank account at the end of the month and just stared at the number for a moment? You worked all week, sometimes even longer than you planned, yet somehow it still feels like you're barely moving forward financially. Then you open social media, and suddenly everyone seems to be talking about investments, passive income, and financial freedom. People younger than you are buying houses, starting businesses, and building wealth, and the question quietly appears in your mind: what exactly am I missing? The truth is, many of the rules we learned about money belong to a completely different time. For years, we were told the formula was simple: work hard, save money, and eventually everything will work out. But the modern economy doesn't always reward effort the same way anymore. Wealth isn't only about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep, how much that money grows, and how long you allow it to grow. When you work a job, you trade your time for money, and time always has limits. There are only so many hours in a day. But assets work differently. Businesses, investments, and property can grow even when you're not working. They can create value while you sleep, while you travel, or while you focus on living your life. That's a completely different engine. This is why hard work alone sometimes feels like it's not enough anymore. If most of your income goes toward rent, food, and bills, you're constantly running just to stay in the same place. But once you begin to understand how wealth really works, your mindset starts to change. Instead of only asking how you can earn more money, you begin asking how your money can start working for you. Real progress usually comes from consistency, learning, and patience. Small actions repeated over many years can create results that once seemed impossible. Investing regularly, building skills, and thinking long-term can slowly change the direction of your financial life. So if you feel like you're behind, remember this: you're not failing, and you're not broken. You're simply learning the real rules of a game most people were never taught. And once you understand those rules, you can start playing much smarter. Because wealth isn't about rushing to win today. It's about building something that continues to grow long after the work is done. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.